Hey guys, we are gonna get started with a Lizzo and Cardi B dance workout, starting with a little bit of cardio, and then we'll head into some weight work. So start by rocking those hips side to side. We're gonna add some arms, little open, little cross. Creating that little mirror around your face. Lift, out, down, in. 2 more. Good, from here we're gonna slide to the right. Go push, rock, push, and rock. Big swim through the arms, push, rock. We have 4 more. 3. Here's 2. Last one. We're gonna reach, right, left, then swing. It low. Reach, reach, swing. Last time. Good, we're gonna travel to the right here. Little pull. For 2, switch, pull. For 2. Keep it going. 4, 3. Good, you got 2. Last one. Back from the top. Little box. Keeping those hips rocking. Take them a little bigger if it feels good. Last 2. Last one. Slide to the right. Push and rock. We got 4, 3, 2. Get ready for that step touch. Reach it high. Right, left, swing. Again. Swing low, low. Last time. We're gonna take that travel step to the right. Pull, for 2. Pull, for 2. Keep it going for 4, 3, 2. We're going back to that box. Last time. Lift, open, drop. 4 more. 3. Last 2. And 1. We slide to the right. Push. Good. Swim it right. Swim it left. We're here for 4, 3, 2. Back to that step touch. Right arm. Reach. Reach. Swing. Last 2. Last time. Good work, you guys. Grab onto your weights and we will work our upper body for this next Cardi B moment. Bring your feet right underneath your hips. A little bend in your knees. Engage your core. Arms are gonna be at 90 degrees. Slowly lift up and down, and then you're gonna press the weights up. 90-degree bend in both of these movements. Push it up. Those elbows come right out from our shoulders. Okay, push. Woo! Push. Good, hold this next one right here. Flip your palms and curl. Halfway drop. Curl, drop. Just that 90-degree bend here. 2 more. Little change. Right arm is going to serve. Out, switch. Out, switch. We're going to be here for a minute. If you're feeling strong, you can take both arms together. Or you can take a little combo, right and left, then both arms out. Whatever feels good for your body today. Just keep moving, keep building that strength. Last set. We're gonna go back to that slow movement. Palms in, lift it up for 2, down for 2. Then we push front. Woo, yes, feeling those lats, the tops of the arms, the shoulders. Push it up. Already feeling that warm. Building in that upper body. gonna stay here a little bit longer. Keep your breath. Inhale. Big push. One more each way. Let's go. Lift up and down. Good. Last time. We're gonna take into that bicep curl. Palms go up. Curl. Lower. Curl. Lower. We're here just 4, 3, 2. We're gonna start it right and left. Here we go. Palms up. Right arm. Left arm. Keep it alternating, or you can take both together. Whatever you need to do today, just listen to that body. Reach. And reach. Keep it going. Right. For 4. Last 2. Back to the top. Flip the palms. Slowly lift up. And down. Final push. Final set. Lift it open. Sometimes the slower the movement, the harder the work, because we've got to control it, even as we lower. Push. Good, last time right here. Flip those palms, bicep curls. Up. And up. Almost there, you guys. Keep pushing. I'm with you. 4, 3, 2. Back to that serve. Reach your right. Out. In. Out. In. Good. Reach. And reach. Right. And left. Keep it going. Up. Good. Stay with me for 4, 3, 2. We're gonna go into a bicep curl to finish. Curl. And curl. Woo! Lift, drop, lift, and breathe. Nice work, you guys. Set your weights down, and we are moving back in to a little cardio. Bring those feet wide. We're gonna take that energy out. Those arms should feel nice and light after that upper body burn. We're gonna keep those feet nice and wide. Start with a punch to the right. We're going front, back, 2 jumps in the feet. Get low, in and out, in and out. Last time. Good. We're gonna step and flex. Right, left, melt, melt. Step flick, step press. Last 2. Last one. Good. We're gonna pull. Right, toss, left, toss. Just 4. Just 3. You've got 2. Good. We're gonna take both arms. Up, down, up. Lift right knee, left knee. Up, down, up. Pull, pull. Woo! Last time. Cardi B coming up. Left arm punches. 2 jumps. Do it again. In and out. That's it. Last time. Step, flick. To the left. To the left. Step, flick. Step, push. Good. Last time. Little travel step. Take it left. Pull. Toss. Pull. Toss. Keep it going. Last time. Back to that little flick. Really quick. Take it left. Take it left. Step, flick. Flick. Push. Push. 2 more times. Last time. We're gonna go back to that toss. Both arms. Take them up. Up. Knee pulls. Up. Up. breath, you guys. Grab your weights. We have one more song. Focus on toning. And we're doing lower body focus. So you're gonna bring your feet slightly wider than your hips. Toes out slightly, hinge forward. Bend your knees. And lift. 2 counts to lower. 2 counts to lift. You're staying hinged over those legs. Firing into our glutes, our outer thighs. Our core is actively engaged here. Shoulders away from our ears. Moving nice and slow. Reconnecting with our breath. 2 more here. 1 more, all the way. We're gonna go down 1 inch. 1 inch, lift. 1 inch, lift. Drop, squeeze. Push into your heels. Down, press. Good, hold this one low. We're gonna roll those arms. Up. Stay low in the legs. Keep your rib cage close here. Pull. Pull. Stay here for 8. 4, 3, 2. Good. Hold it low. Pulse it down. Down. It's not a threat, it's a warning. 4, 3, 2. Slow counts. 2 counts. Drop. Down for 2. Up for 2. Down for 2. Stay hinged over those legs. But if you need a little breather, come up all the way to the top at any point in time. Down. Up. Woo, you guys. Keep pushing. Sink it low. Squeeze it up. Your back is nice and flat. We're gonna go into that 1 inch movement right here. Here we go. Down 1 inch, up 1 inch. Nice and small. Nice and sharp. Lower. Lower. Lift. Are you breathing? Just here for 4, 3, 2. Holding it low. Row it back. Up. Up. Keep your ribs closed. Everything was mine is yours. Working that mid back here. Give me 8 more, full range. 8. 6. Woo! 4, 3, 2. Little pulse. We drop. Down. Down. Pulse. Little lower if you can for 4. For 3, 2, and 1. Stretch those legs. Holy moly. Booty on fire. Last song of work, I'm gonna cool you down a little bit. Dance you out a little bit. You're gonna pop it. Up, down, up, down. Open that chest up. Keep your core engaged. Woo. Good, hold it here. We're gonna pop and drop 2 times. Then shake it over. Right, left. 2 pops. Up. And up. Shake it over to the right. Keep it going, y'all. Let's go. Whoa, whoa. Again, we pop. And pop. We shake it. Keep it going. Shake it out. Back to that little chest pop. Take it up. Maybe add a step. Right and left. Let's go. Pop and drop. 4, 3. We're gonna go back into that. Pop and drop. Booty shake. Here we go. Shake it out. Pop and drop. Shake your booty. Last time. Good. We're gonna turn that, take it down. Up. Inhale. Exhale. For 4. Just 3. In 2. Hold it up the top. And give yourself the biggest round of applause, you guys. I hope you had fun in today's workout. If you did, let me know below in those comments. We'll see you back next time.